Hey everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. As you might be able to tell, today's video is a bit different. I'll be presenting the Berry Cardigan I made for my mom. Y'all see her try it on a bit later in this video. This cardigan was designed by Eva Pack of Eva Pack Crochets. As usual, there will be timestamps below for each section of this video, so let's get started. Guessed, my dream of having a section of my closet be of my handmade makes is quickly coming true. Plus, I keep making stuff for myself, and my family has let me know about some things they'd like me to make. Today is all about my lovely mother. She wanted me to make her a simple cardigan that she could wear to church. I looked all over Ravelry for simple cardigan designs, and the Berry Cardigan was by far the one my mom liked the most. I'll let her share a bit more on her thoughts on why she chose this pattern and this yarn later in this video. Eva has some lovely designs on her Ravelry. If you're like me and my mom and simple designs are your thing, you can certainly go to town in her Ravelry shop. Eva started crocheting in 2017 and surprised herself when she started designing. Eva is a boss mama based in West Virginia that is releasing lovely patterns on her Ravelry page. Her Instagram is currently taken over by her adorable baby girl, but I'll be sure to leave a link to her Ravelry designs in the description box below. Patterns have features to them that are new to me. Some people think all patterns are the same, but that could not be further from the truth. I've mentioned before how I can be a bit dyslexic when it comes to reading patterns. The format for having all the stitch counts for each size in parentheses is very common in patterns. But in order for me to not get lost, I have to highlight the size I'm working on. Now, I don't know if all of Eva's patterns are like this, but at least for the Berry Cardigan, each size has its own section in the pattern. At the beginning of the pattern, you're clearly given measurements to determine what size might fit you best. From that point on, you just hop to the section you want to complete. In my case, my mom wanted this cardigan in a size large, even though the measurements said we could have gone with a medium. Either way, it was so nice just to have to look at stitch numbers for the size large. This completely eliminated a lot of confusion that some patterns tend to have. If you've ever seen a pattern with this format, let me know. This pattern was very well written and pretty easy to understand. She provided pictures at the end of the pattern to help describe the construction of the cardigan, which I found to be very helpful. Also, I have to give props to Eva for providing this pattern in sizes extra small to 5XL. And like I said, each size gets its own unique pattern section. Bravo, ma'am. The only modification I might have made to this cardigan is the length. My mom wanted it to be a bit cropped, like mother, like daughter. Pretty particular, so I knew I wanted to take her to a store so she could pick out the exact yarn she wanted. Also, we got to have a little extra bonding time. We headed over to a local Hobby Lobby. My mom started with the best of intentions to choose something other than black. She said she knew she needed some more color in her closet. But like mother, like daughter, my mom ended up picking out this really cute black yarn. While this yarn is black, it is by no means basic. My mom chose the black yarn from the I Love This Yarn metallic line. This yarn is 97% acrylic and 3% metallic polyester. The metallic running through this yarn is a single silver strand. Honestly, I could see a person loving or hating this yarn for the exact same reason. And that reason is that you literally cannot see the stitches. If you're someone who doesn't feel like you have neat stitches, this yarn will definitely hide every single mistake. You literally have to be 2 inches from the garment to see any flaws. However, I've heard numerous complaints about how people can't see their stitches with black yarn, and that is completely true. If you thought black yarn was hard to see, something about adding a metallic strand makes it so much harder. I personally had no issues with this yarn, and I'm so happy it was the yarn my mom really liked. Like I said before, this pattern had very simple stitches, but I feel like using such an eclectic yarn added a bit of pizzazz to the simple design. Using a simple or vibrant yarn doesn't really make too much of a difference because this design is awesome. So I'm at my mom's house and she is about to show off her Berry Cardigan. Ooh, it looks very pretty with the pink dress. I like it. How do you like it?
I love it.
Why did you choose that cardigan or that pattern?
Well, I wear a number of dresses that are sleeveless, and I like having something on my arms. I like having a little jacket, a lightweight jacket. And the other thing is many of the places I go are very cool inside. And so it's nice to have something for a little bit of warmth as well.
And then why did you choose that colored yarn?
Because I'm a glitter girl. I like black and I like earth tones, but I really like sparkle. And so the silver thread running through the black yarn is just really attractive to me. I like that. And then it looks just a little bit dressy for Sunday morning, because I'm 9 times out of 10 I'll be wearing this to a function at my church. And so this is what I like.
You have your 10 reasons you love me together?
Okay. 10 reasons I love you. See, I just lumped them all into because you are my daughter and I'm your mom. But we'll start there.
Okay.
Okay.
Those are 2?
You're my daughter.
Okay.
And I'm your mom. Now that's 1.
That's 1, okay.
And number 2, I love you because you are very kind.
Thank you.
Extremely kind person. You just have a heart of compassion. I love you because you are very energetic and joyful. I love you because if you make up your mind to do something, you're gonna accomplish it. You know, you wanted to start learning how to knit and crochet and you didn't know how to knit and crochet, and the next thing I know you got a YouTube with all these followers, and that's like about a year and a half?
Yeah.
So I love you because you are determined, and if you make up your mind to do something, you're gonna accomplish it. I love you because you're one of the hardest working people that I know. You're very efficient in how you work, and any job that you work on, if they pay you for 8 hours, they're going to get 8 hours of work. Minus you're going to take out your lunch time. You're not going to do things on their time that you can do on your time. You're just a person of integrity. And so you're a hardworking person of integrity. Okay. And I like it that you are a very good aunt. You are the aunt of the year. You are wonderful with your nieces and your nephew, and you're very proud of being aunt of the year and being a great aunt.
Thank you.
And I love you because you call just about every day.
Yes.
I talk to you pretty much every day. I know that one day of the week I'm not going to talk to you, and other than that, I pretty much hear from you every day. So I love how attentive you are to me, that you really follow up with me and communicate with me, and we just have fun talking. And you listen to all my advice. And then not that you do it, but you listen, and we can discuss things. And ultimately, I know you are a full-grown lady, and you do what you want to do. But I like it that we can still talk. That's a good thing. I love you because you are very practical and frugal with your money. And you're a smart shopper. You are a savvy shopper. There are not a lot of things you want, but if you want something, I see you setting a goal and working toward it and accomplishing it and getting that. But I see that you're not wasteful, and you've got this new thing about being a minimalist. And you threw all kind of stuff out. You sold all kind of stuff. You're on Macari. And then that's number 9.
Yeah, that's number 9.
Number 10, my favorite thing is you love the Lord Jesus Christ.
I do.
And
that's a great number 10.
I love it that you are a Christian. One of my greatest responsibilities as a mom, I felt like, was to love my children, to disciple my children for the Lord. And the fact that you all both love the Lord and know your purpose in the kingdom, and that you're pursuing your passion and are pursuing your faith, that's extremely important to me, and I'm really excited about that. And so whenever I close my eyes on this side, open them on the other side, I know y'all gonna be okay back over here, so I'm good with that, and I'm just excited about it.
Well, thank you. I'm glad you like your cardigan. It looks really cute.
Thank you.
Is it too hot?
No, it's not too hot, but it is warm, and as it's about to get
cooler,
well, it get cooler here in Houston. I don't need the thing with real long sleeves because it just gets a little cooler in Houston. We don't have many days where it's cold. I might wear my coat 3 or 4 times during the winter, but this will get a lot of wear, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
That's all I have for today. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the things I mentioned in this video. If I'm being totally honest, I could see me remaking this for myself. Answer this question honestly. If I made a pattern twice, would y'all want to see what I made for myself? Y'all know I want to make the nautical hat I gave my boyfriend, but if you don't mind me making an item twice, what would you want the video to be about? I clearly wouldn't talk about the designer and the yarn again, so let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I think the real issue is that I'm a selfish crafter, but whatever. See you in my next video. Bye! So I love my family, and I love making stuff for them, but let's be honest, this looks kind of cute on me too. Come on, you know it looks cute. So I need one.